New. So, in this tutorial, we will cover how to create a Play Store account and how to upload in this. So, now first we'll concentrate on how to create a Play Store account as a developer account. So, normally we will download the apps from Play Store. So, from the Play Store, we will download as a end user. Every end user can download the app from this Play Store. But as a developer, if I want to upload any of the application into Play Store, how? So for that, here we need to enable developer account. So how to enable the developer account? So if you want to enable a developer account, there is a link called Play Store console. So that is play.google.com.console. So from there, we can have Play Store console link. We can open this. So here we will enter into this Play Store console. In a Play Store console, here we have options to create our account. So first, I would like to show you with a different account which I don't have login for that. So after that, I'll show you if I have account how it should affect here. So here in this Play Store console, here I'm login. I'm trying to now as new user, means which does not have the apps, means which does not have the Play Store. So just click on to go to Play Store console. Here it is asking the mail ID. So right now I'm logging with some of the mail ID. So that mail ID does not have Play Store account. So this is a Gmail ID. So I'm logging as the user of that Gmail into this application. See, now I'm logging into this. See here now. Here it is asking that review the terms and conditions. So here it's mentioning some new terms and conditions that we need to approve. Once we need to approve, here we need to accept that these rules, regulations, and all. What are the applicable things as per the Google Play Store that we need to accept. Once we accept, then it goes to the next step. In this step, we need to pay $25. It's lifetime income. See here, it's a $25 using any of the debit or credit card which accessible of international payment. Just accept and go that it should finish. So once here done payment, here payment page can enable. From the payment page, you should go to the next step. Here it is asking that enter the card number. So right now I want to show which already I had already paid that. So I want to continue with this mail because with that mail I already created this Play Store account. See, now it's entering into this Play Store account. Just a minute. That's direct will take this link. So this is publish. So it's redirected to this Play Store link. So once we paid the amount, it should come to this page. Here we need to have developer name and address. Address is not mandatory. Which has the stars, those all are mandatory, remaining all normal. So it's not mandatory. Here this, and here we have this email ID. Website, if you have website, mobile number is mandatory, website is not mandatory. Then this account id auto generated from the Play Store. Then contact information, if you have, you can add your contact information in the other replies, reviews and all. Then Gmail accounts, if you want, any of your team wants to test your applications, so that you can add alpha beta mode, they can test. Then you can have save this page. Once you save this page, your developer account creation has completed. Then in this how to upload an app, I'll show you in next video. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.